Spraoi ach réchis cumma. Well be nach na féile Valentinsdói tá sunna go bhfuil tá naimtas a dúfasach te tá sé gaífargus tá seflach. Tá se na dhéach tá sé na dhéach. Tá sé ina dhéach, so killing session that means kind of what it's like now, kind of I suppose. Very blustery, windy and wet, I suppose. Not nice weather. So tá sé na dhéach. It's it does be smoking stay tá sé na dhéach. Ach récha tá sulung bhfuil mar sé maiteach le cruile be gaiide, I'm just going to do a short live stream, but just finú mat sinna méid. Ach mu súlam bhfuil ní so much about more date jazz much about date le no get a tarlo if you're out on a nice date let the van no the fair Kaelin no boyfriend no girlfriend no we can the sort of bed me na ben a cradle bell shall rivership mach a Gina better. Maybe you watch this live stream for a couple of minutes before you go out having a date on the date a piece of Spraoi ach sé mar dus met set a na dhéach a teir le nárin. It's very bad weather here in le nárin agus mat cheiste go chum. If you have any questions for me, go Ilanach, Silan for an islander from the Iron Islands, a native speaker, go Hoogis. Gentlemen, mo yiel, I'll do my best to answer any questions. Agus mar dúirt me ní mac cear beidir finú mad sinna méid le bei moína ré gan leabhar. My dinner will be ready in about half an hour, so ní mac cear beidir thart finú mad sin aistrim a cruile bill. So ik mar TikTok bhfuil couple duine agus ar YouTube bhfuil duine bháin ma ceappa san cruile bill. One person's in the live stream. Agus se ní le cheist fós récha tá sib ciún you're quiet. No questions so far. Níor dionn muid méhanas mo bhean níor dionn muid in Padchrail episode go plague Spraoi no. We didn't do any podcast this week. Ach le cúna Jane seachtain tehogan bei leising an árud. Is smailm cáilíonn na chuile heachtain mas féidir ach mar hálaid an saoil agus am as sé deacarí na chuile heachtainach duna muid ar níl a dhéanna dhéanna chuile heachtain mas féidir mar sé le cúna Jane seachtain tehogan bei chéad episode eile go. Tá má ceap golas cín scór episode antans nachhfuil. So tá má ceap golas cín scór episode. I think we've more than 20 episodes played Spraoi mar se. Tá ceiste teannis Moil Road bain ceúirte. Dear shame, do you know the last monolingual speaker of Irish in your family? Assuming they are all bilingual now. Se bhfuil Monkle tá rudbag bearlaigh ach ní mór an. Tá bearlaigh ach ní mór an bearla ach aige. So my uncle, not quite monolingual, but he has enough English to bearlaigh levanan tas ach gael agus tas at siapadóireachtain ach níbhach bearla iontacha aige. Ní bhah se an córa ní bhah se an sa córa down córa does that America. He wouldn't be able to have a deep conversation in English. Mar se mar dúirt me ní te bailach éon sean gach nó does it ach tá bearlaige ach ní bearla róintacha aige. So he has some English but not great English, but technically bilingual, but as close to monolingual, I suppose, as you're likely to get these days. Rútear the cinse litin rútear go má bhfuil ach began í bearlaige. Se bhfuil se sin é. Bhfuil sin an saoilin is tas a chaí tas sin nach bhfuil rudaínis. Well, there bhí mis beg near an eritin bearlam. When I was small, I didn't have that much English. So as could you go on my story Seach nocht go net na me seach nocht an dí seartteis níor an mór an bear lam. Tá col cearcha am an tríomh más le cí joch se sin sa saora agus lá sin caiite Maryland agus ní níor a bearla mór an bearlam na da much English ach the Berlin is I've English now. I can speak English well now. Ach na me beg níor an níor mór an bearlam ach dúirt duna cíte Joseph. I was at the quiz last night and there was one question. Which of the Aran Islands is the closest to Galway? And I gave the wrong answer. Well, Cúnta na Gaillimhe, if you're talking about technically which is the nearest, which island is to the county Galway, then it's Inishmore, or Inishmore would be technically to Connemara. So it's a good bit closer to the mainland to Connemara than we would be here. It might be as much as 5 kilometers, 5, 6, 10 kilometers possibly closer. When you're over there in Inishmore and you're looking towards Connemara, it does look nearer. But if you're talking about Galway as in Galway City, Innisfire is closer. Innisfire is closer to Galway City than what you need Scoide. Than what you need Scoide go caihid na Gaillimhe na Inishmore. At the Inishmore ní Scoide go Connemara go physical. But you had the cool because 10 kilometer ní Scoide beiters might be 5 to 10. At the much in a vine Scoide go Chundach Lodge, where far yeah, but Connemara, County Clare, we're much nearer County Clare. I think there's only about 10 kilometres, maybe 12 kilometres between Innisfire and County Clare, so it's very near. Go Chundach Lodge, go Hodge, Doolin, it's in Ballachalain, what is that? And the Jersey's Fado. Ballachalain, that was the old name for the passage or near up, or Spraoi Niescada, Fisher Street, Doolin, but a notch. Joseph Inishmore is my answer too, but they meant the city. Well, that's it. Yeah. Well, they should have said Galway City. Galway was County Galway, Inishmore is nearer, and Innisfire is nearer Galway City, because we're further east. And we're a good bit further east. So yeah. Dúirt tá Berlin níos fearrat na méid muite na héin, excuse me. Chuile go bhfuil my English, even though I'm a native speaker, my English is probably better than a lot of Irish people, even though technically I suppose I'm bilingual, but I mean bilingual, but kind of be my second language, I suppose. Really, there's because I'm more comfortable in Gaeilge. I feel more comfortable. I feel more like myself. Nís nus ma hain mar a jara. Nert ma kaiting Gaeilge. You know, I feel more like myself. I nís custul lam hain. That's at the chaisart. It is likely that all of the islands are within the county, so we shouldn't be talking about which is closer to County Galway. Now, we'll tell an hour and Cúnta na Gaillimhe. Because I'd be curious as to how much Hiberno English you speak, because you would be conscious of the influence of Irish on your English. Níl Sam, I don't know, níl Sam. Bach a syml fáil amach, ach níl Sam. Ach, cydash ni mar níl Sam. Yon me the sort of test on that's in Northern Ireland, there was an online test thing, and come on, Kintanum Viet. This about us America, might have been an American test thing, and to test your vote. So I had a score or something like that to gauge like your leaf of it to Maryland, how fluent you were in English or how your word store fokla mar deartas at Maryland. Agus I think it said I was the equivalent of an American teenager. So tá bear le chamam le Jago as America, according to the thing. My fluency score is equivalent to an American teenager. Would you intentionally avoid common Hiberno English terms that Irish people say? Níl Sam. What's an example? Catú sumpla hurtom. Catú sumpla hurtom. You have to give me an example of Hiberno. Yeah. Agus dúirt Joseph, I wrote the comments above in Irish and you read them in English. Is your computer phone making me translate from Irish to English? No, tá sé the Maryland my phone. Tá sé the Maryland no, tá sé the look of Maryland. No, in comment tá sé Maryland. All the comments here on YouTube is Maryland, so there must be an auto translation thing, Beidir Níl Sam. Yeah, logo Maryland. Yeah, they're all in English, the comments here on YouTube. Nísam gifá, ach tá sé Maryland sin a fá. Hey, ma dinnis kit gyda sin le camera the king seems to with you I'm after eating my dinner or humpla. I'm after eating my dinner. That ma jachtrish moina rai. Ma jachtrish moina rai. I do be given out. I'm after. No, Jern, that's that time doesn't belong going, Marajara. Yeah, Jern, that's in Maryland in English. Jern Gominic. Jern Gominic. I was going I even a time of what they gemacht. Even a time of what they gemacht. Time doesn't belong going. Neither some near to that in assassin and America, not I don't know if I don't think an English person or a Scottish person or American or whatever Australian would say time doesn't belong going. But it's even a time of the gemacht, even a time of the gemacht. Time doesn't belong going. So no Maryland, yeah, the comments on YouTube they said the Maryland. Níl some kifá a kasha go sa rudda kincher Google no YouTube na Google nach la Google YouTube so kasha go sort dash to han kinch no the kinch Níl Sam, it must be auto translation. Kasha go it must be will they come tell it in Machan again spoke about how in Irish you speak in according to the direction of the sun. He was referring to the Irish spoken on the Blasket Islands. Well, what's kind of interesting here is no, in Gaig in the Moon, that's Munster Irish they'd have. So gaige chonacht gaige sort Eleanor and gaige chonamara times. So gaige in the Moon, they'd have Guinness in the Blasket, gaige in the Moon, that'd be more Munster Irish. Kitashin mara in cha Eleanor and Jern muche sort marhun planish at that's it who I eat. No, yes, it. We say here, north of you there or south of you there. We don't say into yes chinnish nor clay the we don't really say on your left or on your right. We say south, north, and as Shimbayal Mujar because we're on an island. Agus Ilan Velga, small islands. There's a sillar Carlo yes, Carlo Hua. It's easy to discern where's north and where's south. And north and south don't change on your direction. So depending on where you're orientated, your left can be your right and your right can be your left when you're talking to another person, if you're giving direction to blah blah blah. Fanning hua goni hua is fanning though yes goni. So we say he's a huach and call Sean tasha mishes a huach and to mishes a huach and he's gone down north there. Or call him all a cement. Call him all a cement. Oh, he thought he's a huach and he got you know, it's a hua. It's the mall of cement. It's down there near the near the wall. Cly stone wall. We don't say Bala, Cly. We only say Bala for like a concrete wall maybe, or a house, like a wall. Bala chi, like a house wall. House wall, or a concrete wall, I suppose. But Cly, like there's millions of Cly chicha. Neil's Kimage Cly the child in the sea. We've untold, show Cly, untold, Neil's Kimage. Neil is Kimage. That means kind of like untold. Oh, there's untold amount of Cly here and in the sea. Neil's Kimage Cly. The stone wall. Cly, C-L-I fata, Cly. I've seen Connolly spelt as Congole, C-O-N-G-H-I-L-E, Congole, and Conaila. I was wondering if you know the difference. Well, the difference is Conaila is the correct way. C-O-N-A-O-L-A is correct. Conaila is Keneally, and a lot of people. Most of Connemara and the islands are, there's no real Connellys here, it's Keneallys. And then Keneally is mistranslated to C-O-N. Connolly is C-O-N-G-H-I-L-E. And Keneally is C-O-N-A-O-L-A. But a lot of Keneallys in Merla, they use, they mispronounce, misspell. It's C-O-N-G-H-I-L-E, but that's actually Connolly. Ni K-N-A, Conaila. C-O-N-A-O-L-A, or no, if you want C-O-N-F-H-I-O-L-A, Conaila. So C-O-N-A-O-L-A, a Connemara as a child in the Sayers in an hour is Sinead Kerkla na Rire. Jerem galore a lot of people that are Connellys, like Catherine Connolly, but I think her people were actually Keneally, that they're actually Keneally, not Connolly. So her Catherine Connolly, water on the Hayden, I think going back a couple of generations, her people came from Connemara. So one or two generations, couple of gloon shear. But Conaila Chaviantop, Ni Connolly, Hachin. Mar Humpla, Gail Tam, 5 relatives that went to America, Fato. As America is Conaila Viantop, Conaila. Never said America, Darren Slinne, or Keneally, Merla, Gucci, Connolly. As a comedian, Carlo, Sal, the famous comedian Billy Connolly. Billy Keneally, Billy Connolly should be Billy Keneally, not Billy Connolly, because Bas Connemara Honig Winches in a Juan, that me noch Connemara, so Billy Connolly should be Billy Keneally because his people came from Connemara. And actually, I think there was a documentary BBC, he was about him fighting. Also, just it's probably over 10 years ago. Anyway, they traced back to Connemara, Trivahuga Connemara, agus Nís ga croch na rún Roundstone or somewhere around there my cappa. Agus an Keneally, Conneala Keneally via Ní Connolly. So Billy Connolly should be Billy Keneally. Erechai. Sin. With a couple of kiss to char TikTok. Billy agus Connolly. A couple of kiss nach fik, yeah. Hannah, English, Hannah, hold on there a second, it's Hannah. What's English? Because my grandmother, Jack Crochtan, Chocher Verla, Clan Hogan, a great one. Well, Jack Crochtan, Chocher Verla, Clan Hogan, a great one. Well, tiny yam hain, the Cascade allowed in Mahanus, my fan, the Scale one allowance much lay. So myself and my wife, we've a child. Scale one allowance much lay. Agus Gailge is as at a barrel. Arnús get a hain a challenge. Was Sinus Holotzner to tag Kite and Gailge chichi go more. The standard of Irish is dropped significantly here. Agus the show barrel. There's a lot of English now. Growing the Dean Oak and the Gaswood Oak, like the young children now, the Jacory. Agus was get that hain was any may give a royultach. I don't want to be too negative too, you know. May give a royultach. Ra canuas number the Jacory Chinese, there's teenagers here now. As Nasir, from Nasir, that are not able to speak, pronounce. They're not able to pronounce an R coil. So mar humplan is shows at the cha, spade, the tirage, brother, tzaur, sister. So they and spade, you know, an R coil, or moide, or moidine, you know, for example. So they're not able to say that correctly. They're not able to, and they never will, because I think up to a certain age, mar ma gael mood, ma capos os godi cert ish age, ni veto go jo na sin ra gert, no gert. I think up to a certain age, you know, so she might was shane o shack of lent dish. No ruding martin, I think someone said to me before, my cappa. Beyond that age, then you can't. So go log na Jacob di Chinese George spare, all tan spare gorum, spare, ni spade, or mora, not more, not more. So masha ja ta no leva fer need to look at on sin as I need to look at the hot on sin, you know, they're not all that bad. The Kuskan the Jamoga chutney the Kaijan Gailge Kujakup Ufasatona. Some of them are crap, really poor Irish. They don't sound like non-native speakers. You think if you heard them, if you heard them speaking, you think they were from Galway or wherever, not from Innisir. But the others, some of the others then ta Kujakup of Adney's farts in the nan as our Canoch in the Syrakup. Some of them do actually have an Innisir accent. So they're not all, it's not all doom, but anyway, yeah, a couple of kids diligent, because my grandmother is Connolly, she says it's Connolly, her people are from Galway. Yeah. I started back on, well, Beijing, must the best Connemara, your grandmother, did her people from Connemara, if she came from Connemara, then it's more likely to be Keneally, not Connolly, It's hard for me to know that there are still native Irish speakers and the numbers are growing. Well, the rate of Irish speakers is growing in Ireland, but the rate of native speakers is going down, has gone down. In Sean in the Seer, Tasman in the Shmean, Fletchen I know in the Shmean and here, the standard, dan Kaijan Gael Chichi come out. Na vi Mishibug, we had Jeffreton, Mishibug. Net vi Mishibug near ein Verlan when I was small, near ein Verlan, Maradosh, give no bear lamps. I barely had any English now when I was, 7 or 8 years of age. Maybe bug bear lamps or ni more. I didn't have that much English ni more on I go more it's kind of the opposite now. It's the kids, a lot of the kids now. Not all of them need the loan you may get about the Canos Numeric. I don't be too negative or throwing them under the bus too much because it's not all of them, but some of them they sound like they're from Galway, the mainland. They don't sound like native speakers at all. Will Sunny as Kylie Burke. Is there anywhere I could get a poem commissioned? Oh, that's Sunny Harkane is than Kylie Burke and Sauce. So Sunny is the Sunny get chach. Sunny's up at the house at the Glairach. Glairach. That's lovely blaze. So lovely blaze. I don't know any somebody just not going to matter. Glairach. Glairach. GLEIDHRIC to make up Glairach. And you get a lovely blaze, fire, lovely warm fire. So the sunny question the Glairach a smile as sunny chess. Sunny loves the heat. Smile as chess. Smile as choly. Smile as that choly. Sunny loves being cozy and warm. Those much it looks like us all, I suppose. There's a gift for someone. Neil Salmon is I once dated a girl with a lazy eye. Turns out she was seeing someone on the side. Kirt foi de Burka, sin Burke nach Maryland nach on the barn. Kinsort type Shiritan and this can get a shaft in it. There's Galway girl. At an I'm just an chugs bay Moirach, as bay Moirach, bay Guini or a Moirach. Guigus Bostach. By Shan down to my cap of Moirach, it'll be. So Shin lag on kainchi, that's a lag on kainchi, that's a saying we have here and in the Seer. You say Tasha now. Oh Tasha now. It's doing a river. What that means is when it's a downpour, when you have a downpour, tasha noun, or tasha noun, or tasha noun, or tasha noun. So it might be a noun a moirach. Well, fuck like so. I mean, such a say a one. Oh, tasho show fuckla. Show means a lot. That means a lot. So show. That means like we say galore agus meal, agus round. We say round. Ta round with the ta round fucklan. That show fuckla. Show is a word we use here. The microphones also need to rot in Shmean and in Shmore. As far as I'm aware, they don't say show in the Shmean or in the Shmore. It's fuckle in the Seer for meaning loads of something. So show fuckla. Dutch prinny kitty. Because I wanted to. There were 2-3 guys got over the course of 10 years, but now it's today teach us. But well, an archaeal it's just something you have to have as a native speaker. Like it can't be taught. The only way you'll get that is by immersion. The only way as a child is being immersed. I think there's certain, so for like, if we want to learn, I think there's certain languages like Chinese or whatever, or Spanish or any language, there's certain words or certain letters that are pronounced so differently to us in the Western world that it's impossible to pronounce. And it's for Chinese people, I think Chinese people and probably Japanese and other East Asian, I think, is it the letter R? Is it or L? I can't remember. Tá litis no ho, mar magana mu, if I'm not mistaken. That unless those East Asian people have been brought up with English or are bilingual from a young age, very young age, they'll never be able to pronounce certain letters correctly. And that's the same thing with non-native Irish speakers. They'll never be able to pronounce the R. Like a lot of people, they just, like, for example, spade. Some people just say spage, or it's so subtle, but like I can immediately tell, even someone who's learned Irish to a very high degree, still there'll be certain gives, certain ruddy yardage, nach measure than an ra again, spade, maide, that they'll say something like spade, spares, or more, say maide, spade, more, for example. So it's not something you can learn really. As far as I'm aware, well, Beijing me mi cheart ní le samach, ní chwol me an riaf a dolum gailge. A vi man as sin no gert. I've never heard any non-native speaker that was able to pronounce R coil and correctly, you know. I've heard a few attempts, all right, that was not far off, but Martian Hain, even so, you'd know, Rachasat. Well, hello from Belfast. Or any, I'm not sure she knows if it's watching from Australia. There's Kate Flicks. Aren't the visiting students meant to talk Irish all the time on the islands? Well, Capri supposed to be. Because I'm from Dublin, hate the Spraoi and everyone around. Speaking of, we know the history, the treasure. Oh, a couple of much. My daughter is on Nishman, my cousin Fidelma is on in the Sire. Oh, come on, yeah. Tossam, there, Tanya Vamar Fidelma. Yeah, I know Fidelma well. It's Michi Kate, is Tama, my family named Sullivan. Do you know how to say? O'Sullivan. O'Sullivan. Or Nihulevan, Govan, Nihulevan, or Sullivan. Was in this? Trying to remember right. It's some of the Irish words pronounced in different ways to say in the islands. Well, it's bar humplan is Taja Fratayan, Vaca Samson is the Nessin Shman, the Nessin Smokes. That's all, and I know fairly immediately what some Narva Oirach. Dynas yn isman o'n ismor fachlas yn achas yn y sir. Galore thing in ismor, a lot of people in ismor now, they'll say mana, instead of mra, a crook, instead of knock, or knappa, instead of crap. Like, and in isman is in the sir, agus Jern gonna ma refreshing Jern. German CN, no MN, and there's R. So we say here on Ishmael and in the same Ishmael, and I think most of Connemara, we say that the CN or the MN sounds like an R, the N sounds like an R, like mra instead of mna, crook instead of knock, etc. But in Ishmor, or well, Níl sam logan in is mór tá má ceap go beidir giléine taobh head gon is mór. I think the east part of Inishmore, so Killéine would be more in the eastern part. They might sound more like us here, the proper way. Is because in the Sayers in Ishmael. So they might. I think they say it that way. Yeah. Yeah. Japanese isn't hard to pronounce, except a few sounds are hard, like the R is close to G. What do you think of the Irish? Well, he's not a native, but he's not a native speaker, but to my non-native it sounds semi-fluent. Yeah, Gaelic in the moon. Yeah, the only problem with Muilchatach is it's Munster Irish. Gaelic in the moon. I'm only joking. Yeah, ta Gaelic of yeah, he makes a good effort in sorry, and Chairata. Yeah, Kinche makes a very good effort. In this year sounds harder to nail a few sounds. First time seeing you, you have a voice for radio. Could listen to your voice forever. Oh, Gormada Shinara, thank you for saying that. Gormada. I have a podcast. The podcast Henus Mavan. I do have a podcast, not radio, but I have a podcast. I have about 21 episodes. Fisahin episode of Monish. I think it's 21 episodes. It's called Play agus Spraoi. Play agus Spraoi. PLE for the then space AGUS and then space Spraoi SPROI. So Play agus Spraoi. So maybe it's looking like Kate van Gaten Eilge. So the podcast is 100% in Eilge. It's 100% in Irish. So I don't know. It's not really for learners. It's just for people who have Irish. I don't dumb it down. So it's just it's not for learners unless you're a learner that has good Irish. But if you're just a beginner level Irish, it might be a bit difficult. But Gormadason comment Trachtjason. It's hard, but it can be learned. It's not theoretical. That's true, but sounding native is another level, and I'm fluent in Japanese. Me right in the Dominic. Nivi me right in the Dominic. Vi me right in the couple turn, vi my. My couple aglof, a couple of aglof arm. I've been interviewed a few times and read in the Gata. It is near, we made it near. Oh, stay, it's in the return in the shy been on it, but 3 or 4 times because learn my couple of word fresh and I've spoken. We made for on in Wrestland fresh in Clor Viochigani Wrestland on in Wrestland's show used to be on the radio in the sessions they had a really in this. We made a couple turn, but just head in the hoot turn no better shade turn if him kind of this. Yeah, Nivi America Minic, we made couple turn, yeah. How was Sunny? Oh, the Sunny Har came, Marata Sunny get chinny. Gleirach, lovely. Gleirach is a word that's said here, and in the Syrian in Ishmael means better Ishmael. It means lovely blaze, nice big blaze. So there's a lovely fire at the house. I'll be going to the house very soon. Oh, that's a word we use here. Choid. Cha, eat, 2, 20s, 40. But I think I have a choid no much in I've almost done 40 minutes. But I just in general, but this one have you guessed him. You near a guest him, you kept my budget in the hours in the major. I thought I'd just do 30 minutes in the major. And even the time of I think you must not too bad. Time was the thing, the time doesn't be long going. Time doesn't be long. Well, cowering channel means thing if you're question is the thing. It helps when people are asking questions, whether YouTube or TikTok. So ní cabhainn te leis an creaadh beo. Donna mar cuppa was given Donna mar 3 númad I'm put injury time chur mar 3 númad injury time nis. So into nis 3 númad ní much na snecha. Tá sé inis. Tá sé inis. I have the 3 minutes. So tá much an injury time. Tá much an injury time inis. Mar sa mat I cheiste le inis rifles my gomocht. If you have any more questions for me before I hit the road to have my my meal, my dinner. Gina sochtjar noch it's late go hondo be Gina river hochter. I usually have dinner before 8. It's come on. It's Jerry Sappant and it's a weekend, so it doesn't matter. What's the like there? Oh, Tashana Yatach, Tashana Hak. The weather is awful. Tashana Yatach. Agus get wonder if you can intentionally replace one with one in Irish until it becomes a habit. I need some get that shin. I don't know what that. I might find the hardest thing about trying to sound native is avoiding English filler words such as like. So well, John Galordine cha gonna mars Eleanor and Galorna Jamos ni cha chamo Galordine gonna Kriegati Shaskati. A lot of native speakers from the islands here in Connemara, a lot of them will say like or yeah, you know, or anyway. That really irritates me when I hear a native speaker saying anyway. Was that mar humpla tá sé chedum anyway. Tá sé chedum anyway. You know, it's dry anyway. You know, mat is going to be an Irish German mar humpla. If you're talking about the weather, you might say, tá sé chedum erechi. You know, tá sé chedum erechi. That's what I would say. Like, yeah, you know, tá sé chedum erechi. But I've heard people saying that, people in their 50s and older, saying, oh, anyways. Ceawhain anyways. Oh, Dachráine Martin. Oh, Dachráine, I hate that. It's like it's like a salachers, salachers. It's like dirt, you know, contamination. You know, so, you know, brilliant. Tá galore, tá show fuckla mean, yeah, that's she. Tassat, you know. Not tassat. Was that your church in this? Tassat. Tassat, you know the way tassat. Or someone would say the Jachtanik. Which I circle done that chinach mean tassat. You know, tassat. Mar humpla, yeah, mar humpla. Hey, well, well, that's an injury time catch. We wouldn't say it ain't us here, nor in the smart. It ain't. A-R-J-A-O-N is C-H-A-O-I. Who are you anyways? Yeah, so we don't say it ain't us here. We don't say that. We don't say it ain't us. Erechi. Yeah, erechi. Better go walk with your chin up. An injury time catch. Injury time is past. The 3 minutes they're up. Just catching this shit. That okra sermon is, and I'm hungry now. As Begak Machagina Ray. Mar se gur míle mag í cholónach lech páirt as a créile begus dear question agus thank you everyone who participated in the live stream and that asked me questions. It helped a lot. Cowring Chagomore is a créile be cowring well Marvin Dean if you're a question bin and Jack or Humsava kind, you know, it's very difficult to be talking for 20 plus minutes if no one is asking questions. So cowring Chagomore, it helps a lot. Well, Sinead mar se fácam muide sinne agus gur míle má chuí cholochanne go nóidé agus sun mé í deasa chuí agus muid goil machar dé tunis nó machar a teir, muid goil machar a teir, if you go out on the teir machar ige mob. ar chi fa mu sinna in sinna